Alright, baby, Abolition 101, let's get it. Abolition is a political vision and organizing strategy that's directly opposed to the prison-industrial complex. The vision is a society in which police, punishment, and prisons is not the go-to answer to our problems, but rather our communities are safer and healthier because they are supported, equipped, and empowered to care for each other. Abolition doesn't mean people won't do bad things, but it does mean that our current reliance on the PIC does little to reduce violence and harm and actually perpetuates dysfunction rather than protecting us from it. The strategy is twofold: create, dismantle. Create the conditions that promote healthy and loving communities. It's not the most police places that are the safest, it's the ones with the most resources. Dismantle the power and reach of the PIC and the larger systems of white supremacy that demands it. This takes deconstructing our ideas of power, punishment, and justice, as well as more tangible actions. But if abolition is an end goal with reasonable steps, why scare people away with divisive language instead of just focusing on reform? That's because liberation don't happen on accident. If we don't clearly and boldly name the end goal, we ain't never gonna get there. Reform suggests that the system is broken and needs some updates or bug fixes. Abolition understands that the system is working exactly as designed, so we need a new system.